Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Gestational age of fetus. Hassen's rule and Morrison's rule can be used for determining the gestational age of fetus. Both Hassen's rule and Morrison's rule are used for crown heel length, which is x centimeters. Hass rule. In Hass rule, if crown heel length is less than or equal to 25 centimeters, then we take under root value for determination of gestational age. So if x is less than 25 centimeters, then gestational age in months is under root of x. X here is crown heel length. If crown heel length is more than 25 centimeters, then the gestational age in months is crown heel length by 5.
thank you and thank you for watching.